Hey guys, welcome, and it's Puneet here from Gentek. And today's video is on a kid's camera which comes in a pink and a blue color. Let's take a look around the box for the specification of this camera. It comes with a max resolution of 12 megapixel. It also has an autofocus with multi-scene selection. I think there are 15 different scenes. Wi-Fi sharing is to connect with phone via the application, and also a flashlight to get a somewhat better quality photo in the dark. There is a front facing camera too for selfies. So that's really what's on the box. Now let's unbox it. It comes with a 32 gigs of micro SD card, a user manual, the camera itself. The screen isn't big but should be enough to see the preview of the image taken. It looks and feels very nice to hold it. It's small for my hands but it's perfect size for kids. My daughter uses it and loves it. Here's the flash and that's the viewfinder. So let's turn this on. Here you can see the quality of the screen, which looks very good to be honest for the camera at this price. The button at the top used to change the megapixels of the image quality. There are several settings for image quality: the 2 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 8 and a 12 megapixel. So for taking the photos, press the OK button. The SD card needs to be inserted first. So let's see what else comes along with the camera before inserting the SD card. It comes with a lanyard for kids, which is very thoughtful as kids might drop the camera many times. The micro USB power cable can be used to charge the camera. Here we can insert the SD card and that's where it has the micro USB for charging too. All the open ports are protected by a cover, which is great to stop the dirt from going in. The body seems to be very sturdy. The outer body has soft touch silicone feel, so it won't get any fingerprint or scratches easily. On the front it has the flash on and off button, the flash itself, the main camera lens and the viewfinder. On the back side is the screen and the front camera for selfies. It also comes with 15 different photo frame scenes inbuilt, so no need to edit them later. Here you can see me changing them, which is easy with up and down navigation buttons. The right button is a playback button where you can see all the images taken. You can also delete it using the button on the left. While you're outside the image preview, the left button acts as a Wi-Fi button to basically to turn on and off the Wi-Fi. If you hold the image shutter button for a while, it will start taking the video. So same button can be used to take the image and the video as well. Again, the playback button can be used to play the video just taken. Long hold of the top button changes to the selfie camera mode. Now for the application connectivity, there is an app called Xiaoyi, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Is an app that can be downloaded for Android or Apple App Store. Let's download the app using the QR code. The app can be used to download the images and videos to the phone directly without connecting them from the camera to the PC via a cable. Just connect to the Wi-Fi name on the camera and also the password is shown there. So that's all you need for connection. I have added some of the photos and videos which were taken by the camera. I personally think the camera quality is not that great, but it's good enough for small kids to use as a play and to have fun. Also it's useful as you can give this camera instead of giving them phones or expensive camera. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this camera, if it's worth it or if there is any other camera you would prefer. And guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe for more. Hope to see you again. Thank you.